What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Greg, and today we're going to be cooking some enchiladas. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so the first thing is what we're going to do, which I already did. I already browned my meat. I got 3 pounds of 93% lean meat. So it's nice and browned. Now, you're going to get you some chopped green chilies. So it's just in these small little jars. You get it. Get you a can opener. You'll go ahead and turn this. You'll hear it pop. That means it's done. Grab it on the side. As so. Get it. We're gonna do. These are 4-ounce cans. We're gonna do about 6 ounces, so a can and a half. Might just go ahead and do 2 cans actually. Just go ahead and do both cans. Like that. And then we're going to go ahead, give this a good mix. Now that we got it on a good mix, I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back on. Turn it to low, let it simmer for a little bit, and then we're going to go into the next step. Alright, now it's been simmering for a little bit. Mixed it every now and then. It's only been about 5 minutes. So now, what we're going to do is get you some tortillas, soft shell tortillas. Got me some. Lay that down there. Get you a spoon, get you a nice scoop. Come over here, line it up, like so. I like mine fat. And then you're just gonna roll it. And boom, just like that. Come, lay it over here. That's one tortilla. That's one. So now, we're gonna make however many this meat lets us, and then we'll put them in here and then go to our next step. Alright, and then while you're also getting these tortillas ready, or not tortillas, sorry, enchiladas ready, you go ahead and go over to your grill. We're going to hit bake, set it to 350, and hit start. Alright, so while that's preheating, we're going to continue to make these. So now, we got them all rolled up. As you can see, they made quite a bit. If you want more, you can multiply the recipe. If you want less, you can divide the recipe. Now we have the rice in the microwave. It's cooking. And then now, it's time to pour on some enchilada sauce. Oh yeah. Just drizzle it on. There we go, oh yeah. I like enchilada sauce, so with this, I do 1 can per, because I really like it. You could do less, you could do more, depending on how you like it. And then, this is going to pour on this one. As so. Now that we poured the sauce, we got our cheese. You don't have to do cheese, you can do any cheese that you like. I thought it was only right to do Mexican cheese since this is a Mexican dish. Just get you a nice layer of cheese. So, maybe a little pinch on that. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, now that the oven's ready at 350 degrees, it's time for these bad boys to get in there. Get to cooking. close that up, and we're gonna come and check on it in about 10 to 15 minutes and see how they're looking. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. Come down here, take a peek. No, there's a light we can turn on. Take a look. I could probably use a little bit more time. We'll give it another 5 minutes and see how that goes. All right, so now it's been a total of 15 minutes. It's time to take these jokers out. Go down here. Oh yeah. Yep, they're ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. Ooh yeah, look at that. Those look great. Alright, so now I'm going to let them cool off for a little bit. I got my rices done, so I'm going to go ahead and start plating everything up, and I'll get back with y'all whenever it's all ready. Alright, so I got everything plated up. I got my enchilada, I got my little bit of yellow rice. Let's bust into this thing. Oh yeah. Looks good. See how it is. Mmm. So good. Tastes like I just went to a Mexican restaurant. That is so good. Rice. I mean, super easy meal to make. Something cheap, fun, easy to make, and it makes, I mean, look how much it made. That's $20 worth of food, and that's how much it made. I mean, that's just very good. Alright, so that's how I make my enchiladas. I hope y'all stuck around. If you still did, thank you. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me cook next, and I'll see y'all next time.